Hey guys, welcome to another chapter from my fitness journey. So today we're just gonna do a full body, high impact toning regimen, and this one's a little bit advanced. So if you're a beginner or if you have any injuries, you might just want to modify some of these moves. So I guess we'll just get right to it. So what we're going to do here is, well, first we'll start on the legs. We're going to want to just bring those way in. Yeah, so you want appendages, you want limbs that look breakable. Here, that's one. Okay, so we've achieved these nice spindly legs. So what we're gonna do next is focus on the arms through a series of targeted movements here. So we're gonna really just squeeze over here, just squeeze that in. Yeah, just keep it going, hold it, there we go. Okay, now you can shake that off, and then we're going to bring it on the inner arm here, and just pulse that down. Yeah, just pull that in and bring it back up. So now you see and there's another just really breakable limb there, and that's the look that we're trying to achieve. Okay, so then we're going to pull it over here, and just same as before, just pull and reach, just pull it down, and if you need to start over, that's okay. Just bring it, just pulse. Great. Okay. Yeah, and again with the inner arm, you're just going to want to pulse and squeeze that down. Yeah, so now we're going to do a series of isometric core movements. So this is going to focus on the oblique, and this is a little bit more high impact. So we'll just pull that. Yeah, and just stick with it. Don't give up. Just keep going. There we go. Looks good. Yeah, it looks good. So, and then we're going to focus on this oblique. Just go over to the other side. Just really pull in that and make sure that your form is right. And you want to be pulling in your navel while you're doing this. Yeah. So that's pretty much like what we were trying to accomplish. Yeah, so that's looking good. And then we just want to tune up the face a little bit. So we'll just bring this in here. Let's bring that down a few. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so that's looking good. So, and guys, don't forget, if you need to run this through Facetune, a cool down is always a good idea after a workout, especially one as rigorous as this. So don't feel bad about that. Definitely feel free to do that. And yeah, so that's that's looking good. It's just shows you with a little bit of dedication, you can achieve your dreams. Yeah, so I just wanted to thank you guys again for joining me on this chapter of my fitness journey. It's been so eye-opening spiritually, to be one with my body. And yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys also find inner peace and wellness and truth. So yeah.